Hey guys, this is Frankie Ramos, and tonight I'm gonna show you how to make a roast with beetroot, and I hope you enjoy watching it. So just be careful and let's start it. And as you can see, this beet right now is kind of like soaked. I tried to do my best with it, but here we go. Pretty much you can leave the skin if you want to. You can use it like leaves, but I kind of like dry, so this time I'm just gonna trim it out. And you can wear gloves if you want to, but after I'm done with this, of course, I'm gonna wash my hand, and I'm used to it. To work all the time in the kitchen, always wash my hand and clean it. So. And what's the cool thing about the beet? You can make like a white roast with white radish, bacon, and you can just rub it on top, and you're gonna have like a two-color roast. So there you go. You just trim it up, and now we're gonna start making little cuts. Make it like a around like a little bowl. Yeah. Now you can start with the first cut like a V. Yeah, pretty much like a U. Right there. Do the same thing up and down. See, when you're done with the back cuts, as you can see right here, pretty much you just do the same thing all around it. And now you go inside in each petals right here. Just take your knife and in between. Just go all the way around. Pretty much you just remove the fresh from that. Pick it up from here. See that? Start getting a shape of roast. And right now you just come in between of the petals right here. Same thing, you just keep repeating the same step how you started. And you're going back to the same step how you did the first one, same thing. You can see right here. Stick your knife, insert to it, and same thing. Just keep all the way around. Just be careful, always be careful with your finger, and take your time with it. I done this so many times, and I'm a professional cook, so just take your time. When you have time, like do something like this, take your time with it and do it slow. Do the same thing. Now you go back again, you just repeat the same step. As you can see, now it's getting a shape of a rose. And now you're just gonna do the same thing. You come after here, same thing. And now you can play with your knife if you want to, so it can make it look like real. Exactly the same step. How you start, the same thing. You just keep going. See that? Gonna shape up a rose. Now you're just gonna trim up. If you wanna make it like a low, you just cut the top right here. See that? It's getting like a shape of a rose. You can just keep doing the same thing until you get all the way like in the center. Pretty much. Just be careful because this now is like more fine detail. So always be careful when you insert your knife, and don't put pressure to your knife because you can cut yourself. Here we go, guys. You should end it up with something. Here we go. You should end it up with something like this. And actually, it looks like it's look real, right? And of course, if you want to put it on a plate, you can just put it right there. And I got some kale right here. That's just for presentation, so you can take some leaf underneath of it. There you go. And thank you for watching the video, and